Hello everyone, if you are a graphic designer or UI UX designer, then I think this video is very helpful for you, because in this video I will share with you some of the most popular website for illustration download. So my first website is Opendoodles.com. When you came to this website, you will see this type of interface, and after you scroll down you will see various popular doodles like this. If you like these doodles, then just click SVG or PNG. If you want to edit this SVG, then just click SVG, and after few times later a new page open, and you have to save that page. And after save, you just paste this in your Figma file or Illustrator, then you can able to use this illustration. So my first website is opendoodles.com, and next website is eradesign.io. When you came to this website, you will see this type of interface, and after you scroll down you will see various popular illustration like this. If you want to download this illustration, then just click here or open all. If you click open all, you will see all the illustration of this website. So after some times later you will see all the illustration of this website. If you like this illustration, then just click SVG, and you have to paste this SVG in your Figma or illustration, then you can able to use this illustration in your UI UX design or graphic design project. And so my third website is manypixels.co/gallery. If you came to this website, you will see this type of interface, and if you scroll down you will see many categorized illustration. Like if you statue, this is Statue of Liberty, and this is Fortinet. Maybe this is a games. I'm not playing games, that's why I don't know about it, but I hear about a game Fortinet from my friends, childhood friends actually. Anyway, so if you like this illustration, then just click here, and after some times later you will be able to download this illustration. So next website is Vectizy. Actually Vectizy is not for illustration. uh, Illustration, you can download any logo or illustration or photo from this website, that is called vectizy.com. So if you like this illustration, then just click here. So I just click here, and another thing is, this website provide uh, paid and free access. If you don't have any paid access, then just enter your keyword, search keyword like play. I just type play, and after some times later it will search all related things based on your keyword. Here you see from left, license type all, free license, pro license, editorial use only. So if you don't have any paid access, then just click free license. Now it will show just free items. You can download all the items to use in your UI UX design or graphic design project. So if you like this, then just click here, and after some times later it will open a new page, and you have to click free download. If you click free download, 5 seconds you have to wait, and after some times later your download will begin. So I'm just opening for that. So maybe my download will begin. Yeah, my download pop up this. So if I click here, my download will begin. So I'm just skipping it for this tutorial, but you have to click download. Okay, next website is isometric.online. Here you see the search bar. If you are looking for any other things, accept this category, you are just type that keyword here, and if you like this, then just click here, and after some times it will open a new page like this, and you have to click download free now, and after some times later it will download start. So my website is second website is next website is actually sketchvalley.com. So after came to this website, you will see this type of interface. Here is the category of this website, and if you scroll down you will see the illustrations. So if you like this illustration, then just click preview, and after some times later you will see a new interface like this. Okay, I'm just waiting for that. If you want to download this, then just click here free download. Okay, I click free download, and it will take a new website or new address. I'm just opening waiting for that. So uh, this is the new address. So here you see I want this. You have to click here. So next website is freepik.com. Actually this is very popular website. This is not only for illustration download, you can download vector, photos, psd file, font and other things from this website. This is very popular website among UI UX designer and graphic designer. If you are looking for illustration, then just click illustration category, and after some times later you will see all the illustration of this website based on this category. If you like butterfly, or if you are looking for butterfly illustration, then just click butterfly, and you will see all the butterfly illustration. So I'm just clicking butterfly illustration category. Okay, I'm just waiting for that. Okay, here you see the butterfly illustration 17,249 resource. This website also provide free and premium options. If you don't have any premium access, then just click free option. Now you can see all the free illustration of this website. So I'm just waiting for that to open it or loading it. If you are like this illustration, then just click here. Okay, I am waiting for that. Actually my internet speed is very low due to my country's bad situation. So anyway, if you like this illustration, then you have to click here download, and after a few times later you can download from this website this awesome illustration. And my last website is androidco/illustration. This is actually very popular illustration download website among UI UX designer. If you are looking for any related topic illustration, you can come to this website and download it. I think all type of illustration exist here. Actually I like this website personally very much. So if you are not find your desired illustration here, you can search your illustration from here. Search your topic like home. So I'm just typing home, and here you see home related illustration, home setting. This is actually app screen, home criteria, home run, all related things about home or your keyword, based on your keyword. So that's all about our today's video. Actually this is my new channel. If you like my content, then please subscribe me and share this video with your friends and family or colleagues who are interested in UI UX design industry. And if you have any feedback, please let me know. I will be very happy if you let me know feedback. So that's all about our today's video. Thank you very much.